In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up and run payroll in QuickBooks, whether you're using online or desktop. By the end, you'll be able to pay your employees efficiently and handle all the tax requirements automatically. First, before we dive into QuickBooks, let's talk about what information you'll need to gather first. You'll need your bank account details for direct deposits, your federal employer ID number, and all your employee information, including their W-4 forms and pay rates. Having this ready will make the setup process much smoother. Now, let's get into QuickBooks and set up your payroll service. First, you'll click on Employees in the left navigation panel. If you already have a QuickBooks Payroll subscription, click Get Set Up. If not, click Add Payroll and choose from the 3 service options: Basic, Enhanced, or Assisted Payroll depending on your needs. Next, you'll need to add your employees to the system. This includes both current employees and any terminated employees you paid this year. You'll enter their personal information, withholding details from their W-4 forms, pay schedules, and pay rates. Don't forget to set up their payment method, whether that's direct deposit or physical paychecks. Now we need to configure your tax settings. Enter your federal employer identification number and any state ID numbers. If you're using enhanced or assisted payroll, QuickBooks will handle most tax filings for you. You'll also need to set up your electronic federal tax payment system enrollment for tax deposits. If you want to pay employees through direct deposit, you'll need to set this up now. Enter each employee's bank account and routing numbers. Keep in mind that QuickBooks Direct Deposit takes about 4 to 5 business days to activate, so you might need to pay with checks initially while this gets processed. Perfect. Now that everything is set up, let's run your first payroll. Go to the Employees section again and click Run Payroll in the top right corner. Select the employees you want to pay, choose your bank account, and enter their work hours. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the salary and deductions based on what you've set up. Before we wrap up, let me quickly highlight why QuickBooks Payroll is so valuable for small businesses. It automates tax calculations and filing, keeps all your employee information organized in one place, makes benefits management simple, and sends you payroll reminders so you never miss a deadline. This saves you time and helps avoid costly payroll errors. And that's it. You now know how to set up and run payroll in QuickBooks from start to finish. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials.